Once upon a time, it was a dark and stormy night.
Ghosts roamed the palace.
The 3B Kids of Texas!
Wait a minute, we became ghosts.
Eek!
Our palace became a haunted house. Let us take you for a tour. A spooky tour.
Wah-ha-ha-ha! Won't you join us for some bat soup?
Nope, I'm out on that. What happened to Mom? Why does she look like that?
Poor woman finished the tree and sat for a spell.
Let's see where you'll be dying this evening. Ha 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 ha! Pardon me, I mean dining. Ha 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 ha!
Meet our great grandparents.
Allow me to pour you some witch's brew.
Now we'll show you a place setting start to finish.
We started with a gold placemat and then put a black leather one on top of it. Then we added a Mackenzie Child's charger. We love it with our black Fiesta wear.
Then we added some Halloween salad plates. They come in a variety of sayings.
Don't forget the cauldron soup bowls.
We added pewter flatware.
You're gonna need that napkin.
That skull shot glass holds a sweet treat.
Eat it if you dare. Now let's add the stemware. We mixed our pewter with melamine.
We hope you have a frightfully delicious Halloween. Who's gonna make dinner tonight? So long for now.